Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix overheating issue in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, remove all the apps you have opened in the background. So remove all apps, and after removing all apps, open settings and click on general. Then here click on background app refresh and again click on background app refresh here. Now if you have turned on background app refresh, then turn off it, and after that open settings again and scroll down and click on display and brightness. Now scroll down and here you will see a raise to wake option. So turn off this raise to wake option, and after that the overheating issue will be solved. So if it does not solve your issue, then open App Store and here click on your profile icon. Now here check if you have any app updates. So install all updates. Just simply click on update all to update all apps, and after updating all apps your overheating issue will be fixed. And if it's still not fixing your issue, then open settings and click on general. Now here click on software updates and check if your iPhone is updated to latest version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to the latest version of iOS, then update it, and after updating your overheating issue will be fixed. So if it's still not fixing your issue, then open your settings again and click on general, and in general scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your screen time passcode and then click on reset all settings. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset your all settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after that your overheating issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.